Hi everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to draw a hockey stick step by step. Step 1. Draw the outline. First, lightly sketch a thin vertical trapezoid shape for the main hockey stick outline. Add an angled rectangle to the bottom left for the start of the blade area. Then, loosely indicate the partial curve. Step 2. Draw the grip. Draw vertical and diagonal ovals across the top for the hand grip zone. Include small detail lines and parallel grid tape texture. Before we continue, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Also, check out the description section to learn about our products and services. Now, let's move on to step 3. Add details. Finish the full curved shape of the blade on both sides, tapering to a point. Sketch flat lines for the heel and optional elements like logos. Taking your drawing to the next level, adding color. Use realistic wood tones or modern gray and vibrant grip tapes. Cool colors for rink contexts. And there you have it. A hockey stick drawing in just 3 simple steps. Let us know in the comments what sport you want to see drawn next. And be sure to check the video description for more drawing tutorials.